everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you clicked on the link, the thumbnail, to see this YouTube video of Diamond Art Club's Little Diamonds. These are the Sparkle Pals. Yes, and as you can see, it is Sally and Lucy from Peanuts. Oh my gosh, let's open these up and see what is in store. First, we're going to look at the packaging. What I love is it's going to show you what it looks like. It's going to be standing on a stand. Definitely shows you that it's a DIY. It's from the Peanuts collection. Right here, it's a Sally 5.7 inch by 3 inches. On the back, it's going to show you that everything you need is included. So let's open it up and see. My goodness. So Sally is first. Crinkle, crinkle like Christmas. Now these are $14.99, and then if you can find a coupon or a little you add it on to a painting you're already getting. This is a great starter for grandkids or nieces, nephews, for somebody who loves Peanuts. So in this, you get the new thank you for your purchase envelope with tips and tricks. And then inside, step by step, 20% off your first purchase at DAC. Join the VIP Facebook group. So cute. You're also going to get the toolkit. Now, what I really like is Diamond Art Club has upped their game. It's 2024. And even with some smaller kit like this, they are putting in their new fancy schmancy Diamond Art Club pens, where you just pull off the tip. And what you're going to do is, as you can see right here, the putty is already in there. It's not wax, it's putty. And you're going to twist really hard to push that putty up, because the formula that they used is so that it stays sticky. So once you have it turned, you're good to go and ready to start placing. This side is your 4-placer. Let's see what they have in here to put on your 4-placer. Okay. So they do have, you can either do the putty, flat piece of putty, or you have the heart wax that you can dip your 4-placer in. So fabulous. And then they also have a 7-placer that you can use. They give you baggies so you can put your extra drills in there. And the new tray. Now these trays are stackable. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Has a lid. I mean, these are phenomenal. Upgraded, people, upgraded. Now I have one of these. They are stackable. As you can see right here, I don't have the lid for this one because I'm currently working right now, but they are stackable. But you get one included. These are super nice trays, free with the toolkit. Then you're going to get your little packet of drills. Sally Sparkle Pals. Now, how the Sparkle Pals work is different. There's not a little key. What it is on here, it says 3, and on her face, it has 3. And so that is where you're going to put the drill. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. We're going to open this up. We're going to see what kind of drills Sally is going to cover herself with. All right, it does look kind of purple-esque, but they are pink drills. There are 5 colors. So you're going to have the white, the yellow, like a cream color for the face, and then this is a fairy dust, pink, for her outfit, and then you have the black. Looks like the black is fairy dust as well. I don't think, yeah, that's not fairy dust. That is, oh, this may be fairy dust too. And we tell there? No, that's not fairy dust. The yellow, the pink, and I think the black are fairy dust. Alrighty, so that is your special drills. Now, this is what I like about the Sparkle Pals. If you are a collector, okay, it's only one-sided. The other side has the Diamond Art Club and your copyright, but you can put it like so. It's here. Come on. There we go. Like so. No, it's going to stick because it's got that, but it's going to fit in there perfectly if you had one on the right side like I do now. And then you can stand it up. Collector's item. You can put it up on your shelf. You can put it in your office. Have it in your kids' room. So super cute. All right, so let's open up Lucy. See what Lucy, again, these are $14.99. And look, just take a moment. Like, this is like Charlie Brown's shirt. Like, the packaging is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then look, I didn't even realize there's like this little Charlie Brown. I just had so much fun growing up. Reading Charlie Brown in the paper, watching The Great Pumpkin. So here is Lucy. Lucy has the 1s, the 3s. There's some 4s in her hair. You've got 2s. All right. Looks like she's just got 4 colors. Let's look at her colors here. All right. We have the black, which also looks like fairy dust, which is really awesome because if you have extra, you can keep these and sparkle up your future. So 4 of those, and you've got little cards now. Little cards now. And then, as you saw in the last, here's the toolkit with the awesome pen. You get the wax. You get the 4-placer on the awesome pen. You get the putty. You get the bags. And then there's the 7-placer hiding in here. And it's super easy to take this off and put 7-placer on. There you go. Doo, doo, doo. So fun and excited. So I'm going to go Diamond Art Club, Diamond Paint by Lucy and Sally. So yes, take a look. Buy out the peanuts. Buy every character. There's Woodstock and Linus and there's Snoopy and Charlie Brown, and go check out all the characters. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.